Ebusuafo yemamu akwaba eba NK97 TV. Se o subscribe ye ebepe se adoma no ayo ho no obemmia so na watimi subscribe na yedi video bia so eba watimi anya kwanyan na wo so waye den watimi ahwe bi TV. Ensema ekotwi ekobremai titiro ne Ghana ne yekoso Ghana eno nti ene eba bedi kasubom na yeti nsemu a akoso na wotwe mu efa abrantie bi efre no Sammy Gyamfi enyina anim Sammy Gyamfi oye NDC National Communication Officer ona ye communication ni nyina ba no dani ema NDC National Democratic Congress court ahyɛ ne sɛ onkotua sika poly Ghana sikam 500,000 judgment court ahyɛ ne sɛ onkonkotua na okwakotua ma hwan edie ne siye yebeka ya 2019 famous and infamous kidnapping because wo Kumasi efa Canadian girls bi ho na emrantie no ana omuka sa kidnap no Sammy Gyamfi ene NDC enam so ye bad dani nti oye press conference na press conference ni mu no Sammy Gyamfi koka se abrantie mu baako eye errand boy edema yera NAPO dodo no a enim se frɛ no Mathew Opoku Prempeh first pa no ye education minister se say there were energy minister edema abanya osisui eye New Patriotic Party on ye energy minister na be mfie be miensani na afi na court edi ni ruling abase Sammy Gyamfi egu yera Mathew Opoku Prempeh dodo no afre no NAPO ono so odi ni dwuma anase ni MPship no owo Manhyia South NAPO ye Manhyia South MP enti Manhyia ho no emrante ni mu bia ekoba ase o ma kidnapo eye Canadian girls bi eye 2019 ewo Kumasi no afi na court atrase as atra asam no so na wabua Sammy Gyamfi for say Mathew Opoku Prempeh ne lawyers defamation suit na omede ba court no ene omoye adwen na obeka ya Mathew Opoku Prempeh esiu enua be ma Sammy Gyamfi 1 billion ana osiu Sammy Gyamfi ba court no hwemu no na office ni obetimi ede apata yewra Mathew Opoku Prempeh eye 500,000 ena yesan ahye Sammy Gyamfi se baby okotena ya anase kwan ofo aso a odugu Mathew Opoku Prempeh ehufin onfa sa kwan na aso no mpa na chew ebiem so no onkotua 40,000 Ghana cedi Emma Children's Home na on render an unqualified apology. So these are the damages Sammy Gyamfi oye banudeni Emma Communication Department eye NDC political party no Sammy Gyamfi eho ensem na aba sabi yese asema aba no anase ne na asema aba no eno na yinyina yeden ye kan bi ti Sammy Gyamfi anu disem ebra asam no so baaye no oni obi ehyiae na omotwetwe nkomo ni mu no ensem a ekoso no yebebo ama mu nyina matie ensem ya ye kan nyina no nana agimambafo awua ona ye lawyer edema Mathew Opoku Prempeh na sansem yi ono so aba gi atomu se no kre se na esi wo court no eno no enti Sammy Gyamfi amiye hu se saa na sabi tintintinti ubetimi ayemre ukọ kotie Sammy Gyamfi nsem no a Achopa ena sisi opa. Na sisi kura de nanko kanonko a nanko pe out of court settlement. Nanko pe so de Mathew Opoku Prempeh eye NAPO. Eye energy minister ema abanya otisu ni Ghana no. Nanko pe so de no enya nkitahudie kokwam fie na aja watimi apa na chaw no de boni ache no. Dan so sane ensam no koye ebre a atwamu ene nsem bi akeka koye no de wi Sammy Gyamfi ye no ho no na che se odi sase obenya saati bie ya okomui momie nkonkotie ebra no oni obi osajman ewo ekosi sen dwumadie FM station no momie nkonkotie ensamo a
monitor proceedings from the High Court here in Accra. Defamation suit be our energy minister now, then our education minister Eddie Eko Itiao. And then after 3 years, then judge and then the ruling about a final damage 500,000 Ghana cedis plus a public apology any other. Me just say now we court and OG ruling is saying.
Obi Yampa and then I could PM work because then an High Court affixed to deliver the judgment on that defamation suit. They said the okay, I can't want someone for the last 3 years. I will court so. I don't see a could PM say this was the decision of the court. I mean, I was not really surprised, but all the MNM lawyers demanded and they say you didn't the certified true copy of the judgment. Na yet to me as steady. Na and no it me may file an appeal any other processes are able to me they challenge the decision of the High Court. It sounds Ghana embre mu a course ahodo no e wo man ni so and when it say assembly copy High Court na court ni diwi na wo bonyo so a wo ho kwan to tini piece na o de court of appeal and say omo hwe na omo man attentre ni nyedma. And so, under the circumstances, that is the option available to us. And we intend, or let me say, I intend to exercise that option. Fortunately, so no, my lawyers, may against it. It is a decision, but I will say a challenge because we are arguing, I don't see, but the two courts in any minute. And ya court on a share dance here. The court on a share a dance here now, and can need you where I dream, even if I was saying court in a different from the decision the court arrived at.
And in him say in defamation suits, no truth is a defense. The moment dance here was to establish the truth in the claimer. Who make here at that press conference, Anna?
The defense, my meeting, I can say, two levels.
Okay.
The first defense, the first argument, was that as someone, member of parliament for Manhyia South, Semaka, Amanagun Hufin, or Yaya and Yasamoa Agun Hufin. Because and yet family, the statement itself, in our opinion, is not defamatory. That's a statement complained of. It's not defamatory or capable of defamatory meaning. And you know, I explain and say, "Sebi previous, but not the swimming also." Sammy Gyamfi, Uncle Genesis MP, so Uncle Kase, MP for Manhyia South or your comfort, and our could you. And now I kidnapping be. Sammy Gyamfi and Kadidiasa. A press conference and If Canada, my 1 minute now, Nipaboni food be kidnapped for Kumase. abekaya June 2019 ho baby na police watch mranti bi say omona omohwehwe mu kire say omohye sa kidnapping echi enumu no so MPP mpenyifo bi no wa sentimental say chama wuntumi no ne omokasa mafo ni bi ka say sa mayewa na ya kidnap omo no eye NDC ye ba no dani Samuel Ofuto Ampofu ne church NNSN degree nti yeah press conference to set the record straight Manhyia yachi omo no munya NDC for omo nim ye national chairman wo be a omo ne ye party ni track dia but rather no adanse ye wo ho say omo ye MPP for eme ye di adanse ni bebre to dwa Manhyia ni bi MPP programs are no more attending MPP inyema o ma share no mo Facebook wall e di bi adanse so mo ye MPP for na ne kasa ne nyemu no du ba bi ye ka say Manhyia ni mu ba ko mo leader ye friend no Sedu NB you know e dey o kan Sedu imba oye errand boy Emma Manhyia South MP ene say ye boni papa for bi din ka ho no na honorable member of parliament for Manhyia South ka say aguni hufi and the defense was that here guys are kidnap we are just showing that these people are connected to the MPP. And so if we say that Asumesi and our being saying errand boy, how is that defamatory? You can say you sponsor his activities or you participate in his activities or you facilitate in his activities. And the statements we made in that press conference were not directed at you. We are directed at this Sedu Imba. That was our first defense. And yet was so called the second level. Same court so no honorable member of parliament, yeah, James said the kind no a defamatory, a some will be you good in who fear. And the another defense and they say that's them no no critical do. And don't see truth was the second leg of our defense. The fact that that statement complaint of is true was the second leg. And your court apart from Yama dancing and the my friend dance me a friend of Mafuz Jibril I'm a be dear dance here ebe so fasem no so say ampa watena Manhyia pontie bebre na onim sa abrantie na ye friend Sedu Indie na onim se okamrantie a honorable member of parliament back constituency wa omone ne nanse o cite issue of bia esi na fa ne ho in 2012 man be public matter wo krom ha and I'm so krama police to invite honorable member of parliament to turn no but stressing the point that ampa on that day now Manhyia bi to share no so a mo attack no na sa Sedu Imba no e ka ho bia na only honorable member of parliament in the nam and the ekeka ho nti na dance ya obi di ye no nti wo ya dream no we thought that your leading evidence at the approval system and if court will cry because on near nyadria we expect that court will not be consider the substance of the testimony of the witness. Now I check why that testimony if there is any inconsistency in that. But okay judgment now my lord kind say adanse na nya de kra obi be ye nyina so e dey take decision because brantie no e ka sendi je say ne asemfo fra wo kan no na adanse ka tamu no e bo abra eno nti onyinin basically that was it nya de
onye credible witness
exactly.
More like
that is it and e hono na emuye ye rem kaka boy adwum the fees and trade. So because the man my lord Kasa or say a branch and dance the castle or can say what's not Manhyia South the light muna. But over the house address the witness statement address sipe any Manhyia South and no a branch and kind of crowd. The dance will be year about 2012 or tiny baby. Honorable MP in the Manhyia echo rounds a Manhyia na no mudi the chibi and in the Katakasa share no so trip no or chess and not make down any the Akaka court 90 court no on the ground they say Watana may share all his life by the house number and what the witness statement so no is any Manhyia South. And we thought that under cross examination, a branch here no church has him because lawyer for the plaintiff it bizarre. Say also what's na Manhyia South now house address we the person ni Manhyia South. A branch here didn't say we na say Manhyia South and your woman one year to tell me one number bush fie ni or born the house number ni bibia. Asem one bibi one dance ni C 2012 na Manhyia South na say. But in recent times, you see fie kakra bi wo new site. Maybe di ma agro e wo Manhyia South enyuru ju a na ma committee wo sipe akwakoda. Enu nti na lawyer bi say me say me fa me house number ma wo mo a me di sipe die ne ma wo. But obi a ni say me wo fie foforo e wo Manhyia South matena wa fie ni ka tre fie no ni bi a ho na watena someone who do what dance so no see na honor. And see how this issue about Obi house number can lead the court to the decision say the entire evidence of that witness who was the only witness I called, entire evidence will not be considered by the court in ascertaining the truthfulness or otherwise of statements na making here. Okay. And Obi, as I'm with here now, branch anything what dance and to say the other someone a dance be anyhow. I am with here and some show for I will come when you know public share. Google 2012 and it's not a meeting pinky see Manhyia South. A branch be a friend of my Fuji bro. If you can no paper and money for that component. The story is there on graphic online, on Manhyia online, several publications on it. So, in the face of all these evidence, which were before the court, we are the humble and respectful views. And yeah,
okay, see, whenever for me, the basis from your appeal, no, when you eventually file.
I can say, sir, from where I stand, don't say. Even though I'm a lawyer, in this case I'm the client.
Yeah.
But from where I stand and with what I heard in court from the reading of the judgment, this for me would be a major ground of the appeal. But there are other issues, about how my lord arrival at the decision, and even the damages. That how he assessed the damages and arrived at that 500,000 damages, maybe a one. No, because you should say, send a brand new
okay.
And when certified true copy of the judgment in Namibua by China, my lord, they say I already the letter by China. Over the weekend, I believe we'll be able to study it in detail. And by Monday, Tuesday, file the necessary processes to challenge the
if the because say file a appeal now, I don't know, and me kind will first official reaction on your Facebook page, no, you alluded to the fact that you would also stay the decision of the High Court. It is if the stay is not admitted by the Court of Appeal now, not just now you find plenty of also enter judgment. You would have to go by the judgment because it will be standing against you.
Of course. First of all, if we decide to file a stay of application and speaking to my lawyer, and will be my more the lawyer, lawyer DJ Kamakula Batuye for his time, his sacrifice, and all the support he has given me, throughout the process. And he said, after studying it, we decided that in addition to the appeal, we should file a stay of execution, which we are all inclined to as we speak. We have to file it first of all in the High Court now on our judgment.
Yes.
So that's the rule. And when it is refused, like it happens in most cases now, you have to then repeat it in the Court of Appeal. If the Court of Appeal refuses, that is not the end of the matter. The appeal will still be pending.
Sure.
So, but what it means is that for the time being, the judgment of the High Court stands and must be complied with.
Yeah.
And also, nobody is above the law, including Sammy Gyamfi. So if we get there, and that is the situation now, we will comply with the court order. The court to say in Chiesika, we will pay. The court to say and render apology, I will do so. That will not be. BB, I was like, I don't think it should be an issue. What do you say? But one thing is clear on my part. This is a matter that I'm determined to pursue with logical conclusion. May you be you've known me. We've done a Juma where if I say something about somebody and I am confronted with contrary facts. Now, who say, we have not been fair to the person because the facts show something different. I am humble enough to reach out to the person or to use a very medium. They can't ask them to retract and apologize to that person. I've done that on a number of occasions. But where what can't them? As I'm not walking in Okrano, and young them, Bonnie, dear, what can't you be so? Somebody is alleged to be your errand boy. Now, you even try reaching out to the person who, at some point you had some relationship with to see how the matter could be settled out of court. Now, I will say he will pursue the matter. Now, you pursue matter, now be drew her. I dance for them, and yet, say the Nipa no baby, I dance your court. I mean, there are other things that I wouldn't want to discuss at this stage. And my who say, say the assign our kind. One can in the bottom so. But there's some put our kind, there is basis for it. Now, Nipa nese change she will be who feels and she calls to more cow when you say it is not something that I would want to, live at this level. The law allows us to go all the way to the Supreme Court, even to the review panel of the Supreme Court. If at some point we even have to comply with the High Court order, whilst we pursue those other appellate actions, you can trust that you're there. If for nothing at all, for the sake of the record and for the sake of posterity.
There have been instances, court in defamation suits, rulings in favor of plaintiffs, any damages at all, your friend is saying, respondents as a defendants, Ubashana ni pano a comply in tema pacho na plaintiff na kase okay wa pacho wa agree with the sika part ne de me de achew enye hwe. That is something that can happen in your case. Are you minded to want to look at that option as well to maybe render a quick apology na yenhwe what comes out if maybe the plaintiff in this case?
It's not about rendering a quick apology. The court has made an order.
Yeah.
So you have to, if you want to appeal, you appeal. But appeal doesn't stay the order.
Sure. Sure.
If you want the order to be stayed, you apply for stay of execution.
Sure.
In situations like this, you have to adduce evidence that are very compelling.
Sure.
Both to the court
for the order to be stayed.
There has to be very compelling evidence there. Yeah. On the face of it, the decision was in error, and the chances of an appeal is highly higher. If the court of appeal disagrees with you, it's not the end of your appeal. You can still pursue the appeal.
Yeah.
But when we get to that stage, the order must be complied with. My lord, our order says, I pay the amount you have stated with cost of 50,000. That's about 550,000. And then the same medium America said, now use it
to apologize.
Apologize. That is, I think, 10 or 14 days after judgment is entered.
Okay. Yes.
If we get there, it is not a matter of semi-pan. I mean, that is the law. You must comply with the law. Even as you challenge it, you must comply. And I can tell you without any doubt that I will comply. Nobody's about the law. But it doesn't also take away my rights of appeal. And to disagree with the decision of the court and to also pursue the matter.
But 550,000 yes, I mean. It's a 550,000 Ghana cedis is a
Oh, of course. Especially this.
You have that kind of money. Wow. Anyways, Intima, my Yanshana Yamfa NC. Said you will can, I mean, more train certified true copy of the judgment now if you must study in the and then you can, you can take a decision.
By early next week, the right processes will be filed. Then, sure.
Sammy Yadansi, ever said in Comobio.